This is a transformer, classic transformer, very old, minimum 30 years old. I take it from a black and white television made in Japan. It has two sides, two part, maybe 110, 110, 110, 110. This 110, this 110. It has thin wire. Thin wire, that means it's primary. Thin wire, that means it's primary. Here use thick wire, that means it's secondary. Now I am going to check which side is secondary and which side is primary. I am using a series bulb system. Series bulb system to check the transformer. Look, the bulb is lighting when I short it. Bulb is lighting when I short it. Now, if no short, then it's primary. Look, the bulb not lighting. That means it's primary. Bulb no lighting. This side is primary, and this side is secondary. Bulb will light. Look, bulb short. Bulb will light. Bulb is lighting. That means this is secondary, short wire, and here is lots of wire for this case. The bulb not lighting. This is primary section. Now I am going to make AC to DC voltage. Need to solder here the wire. I am going to solder. I plug out from the AC voltage. Now I am soldering the wire with the transformer. Now I am going to measure the voltage. How many voltages are here in secondary? It has center tap maybe. I'm using my meter. What is my meter? This is my meter. Use AC mode. AC mode. Here has, oh my god, 244 voltage AC. Now AC is very high. Primary is very high. We need 230, 244. It has how many? 32.8 voltage, 33 voltage. Here is 16.5. Here is 16.4. Two are together 33 volts AC. Now I am going to make it DC using one diode. This is a diode. I am going to make it DC. Middle two leg must connect with the transformer. This is the AC voltage input. Two corner are output, DC voltage output. Now I need to solder here. This is the AC leg. Middle two leg are AC. And soldering the AC leg with the transformer, AC input. Solder nicely. Now I'm going to check DC voltage. Now the meter will be DC mode. DC voltage, negative, positive. How many voltage? 29 voltage, 30 voltage. 29 voltage in center tap, 14. Now need to use capacitor to make the center tap voltage dual voltage. I am going to make dual voltage as two transformer, two capacitor. Need two capacitor. One capacitor positive leg and another capacitor negative leg will be together. That means that's what the together leg will be ground voltage. One capacitor positive leg, another one capacitor negative leg will be together. It will be ground voltage. And one side is negative and another side is positive. The diode right side is positive. For this case, I put the positive leg there, and the diode left leg is negative. For this case, I put the negative side, negative capacitor is there. Okay. to measure nicely. I don't have not lot of time to make video because have to do lots of work for people. Sometimes I get time, then I make video. Nowadays my visitors are so lower, so sad for me. I know nowadays lot of channel are in YouTube. When I opened the channel, this channel, that maybe 2016, 2016. That time channel was so small. That time I had lots of visitors. Negative, positive, negative, positive. 45 voltage. Now increase. Voltage increase. It's a system. When you use the capacitor, the voltage will be increased. This is the ground voltage. Center tap will be here. The ground voltage will be connect. That the center tap will be connect with the capacitor ground. I am using one wire to connection the ground voltage with the capacitor. Here I am soldering. This is capacitor ground loop, and this is transformer center tap ground. Whatever. Now I am going to check the voltage. This is the ground. Positive is 22 voltage. Negative is 22 voltage. Oh, I can use TDA 7294 IC or STK 414 will be good for this transformer. STK 414 will be good with this transformer. Thank you for watching this video. If you need any amplifier circuit diagram, you can visit our site. There have the link in our comment box. You can go there and can get lots of amplifier circuit diagram. This ampere is also good. Maybe it's 5 ampere. Maybe it's 5 ampere. I'm not sure. Need to check the wire size. Then I can use the ampere. The transformer size telling that it's 5 ampere. Thank you.